Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get time essence in Noob Experiment Battlefront. Time essence is a vital resource, often appearing as an hourglass, that fuels your progress and unlocks powerful upgrades. Understanding the best methods to acquire it will significantly boost your gameplay. We will cover several strategies, from engaging in challenging boss battles to utilizing clever server tactics, ensuring you can gather this valuable essence effectively and consistently. Let's dive into the details and get you started on your journey to mastery. One of the most reliable ways to earn time essence is by conquering boss battles in various game modes. In hard mode, you have a generous 50% chance to receive time essence after defeating the boss. Medium mode also offers a solid 25% chance. These percentages make boss fights a cornerstone of your farming strategy. Prepare your best units and tactics to consistently overcome these challenges and reap the rewards, significantly boosting your essence collection. For a more targeted approach, seek out the I-Trapped boss fight located in the Frozen Tundra map. By entering the igloo and interacting with the Mech Brick Battler, you can challenge this boss, which offers a 20% chance for one-time essence upon defeat. Additionally, a highly efficient method involves server hopping. Look for public servers where players are already on wave 25 or higher in hard or medium mode. This allows you to jump straight into high-reward scenarios, maximizing your essence per hour. To truly maximize your time essence gains, it is crucial to prioritize the most effective methods. While time essence can occasionally spawn on the map every hour, this is generally the slowest and least recommended approach. Instead, focus your efforts on repeatedly engaging in boss battles, especially in hard mode, and utilizing the server hopping technique to quickly access advanced waves. By combining these strategies, you will establish a consistent and abundant flow of time essence, propelling your progress in the Noob Experiment Battlefront.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.